daughter-in-law here. We came up with this recipe because we wanted an energy bite that had the lemon taste and almonds and blueberries. We didn't like some of the recipes out there, so we kind of experimented with about 2, 3, 4. This is what we came up with. So you'll need to have honey, slivered almonds, a lemon and lemon essential oil, oats, rolled oats, flaxseed oil and hemp seed, almond butter, blueberries. We're gonna get started. So go ahead, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of honey into the blender. And while she is adding the slivered almonds, which is 1/2 cup of slivered almonds, and we'll add 1/2 cup of oats. I will go over and juice one of the lemons and also zest it to put in here, and she's going to blend it for 2 minutes, so we'll be back. 1, 2 drops. Mixing, Hannah, 2 minutes, and it's like a paste there. It's awesome. So you can put that with this. This is 1/4 cup of the flaxseed and 1/4 cup of the hemp. And you mix it in a bowl. This is gonna be gluten-free, paleo, vegan, however you wanna get it. It's great for road trips, going back to work, lunches, after-school snacks, hikes. Kind of stops the snackies too. Anything else you can think of?
That's about it.
So we'll add also another 1/2 cup of the oats to this mixture. You stir that. Okay, so we stir that, and then we add 1/3 cup of almond butter. And you can see that the paste makes it, we just didn't want it too dry or too moist. Got it just right. And you also add 1/3 cup of dried blueberries. We will roll these and put them on wax paper, a cookie sheet, and then we'll put it in the freezer for 2 hours. We'll be back to taste these. There's a 1/3 cup there. Then freezing these for 2 hours, it's ready to go. And you can put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks, or in the freezer for up to 6 months. So delicious. You have an option of putting protein powder in these to make them a little more protein. And grandchildren, did you find the bee?
Jasmine.
What you want? It's my video longer.
Oh yeah.
Do you like it?
That's good.
That's really good. Okay. So be sure to like my YouTube, subscribe, and share it with everyone else. And look for me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I'll put the recipe. I also put the recipe down below here. And I want you to have a sweet day and a unique energy in the new year, 2020. There